Hey guys, I'm Rebecca, a professional makeup artist, and I'm joined today by the lovely Louisa. We're creating this look today, which is inspired by Ariana Grande's 2018 Coachella look. I'm drawing inspiration from her outfit, which was lilac. So we're bringing this beautiful, soft, matte lilac tone all the way through the crease of the eyes. And now that I've got a beautiful wash of lavender through the crease, I'm going to deepen the outer corners ever so slightly. So I really love the look of this, but I still feel like we could do with a little bit more depth in the outer corner. So, using the same deep purple, I'm just going to switch to a slightly more dense brush to pick up a bit more product. So, same colour, always tap off the excess, and we're just wiggling this through right in the outer corner. To bring in a bit more brightness to the eye, I'm going to add a little bit of this light matte pink just to the inner corners. So Ariana is renowned for her super fierce winged liner, and this wouldn't be a typical Ariana look if we didn't include it. So I'm going to use a bit of gel liner, a really skinny brush, and we're going to paint this flick on for you. So the eye makeup is almost complete. All we need to do now is pop on a set of lashes. And now for a pop of highlighter. Don't be afraid to really go in with this. For this look, Ariana wore a cluster of gems just underneath her left eye. So we're going to do the same. To finish off the look, we're going to reintroduce the peach from Ariana's original look by using a peach liquid matte lipstick. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you picked up a few helpful tips and tricks from this video. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Superdrug Loves YouTube channel. Bye!